சென்னையில் முதலமைச்சர் எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமி உடனான ஆலோசனைக்கு பிறகு மத்திய சுகாதாரத்துறை அமைச்சர் ஹர்ஷ்வர்தன் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வருகிறார். அதன் நேரலை காட்சிகளை பார்க்கலாம்.
Just now I have met the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and expressed our good wishes to him and the people of Tamil Nadu, which have been conveyed by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I have also conveyed to him our strong appreciation for providing exemplary services on the health front in particular, which is my domain, and also ensuring that the fight against COVID, which they relentlessly pursued during 2020, was also very successful. Various facts that we noticed, including the performance of 100% RT-PCR tests, providing good quality facilities for treatment of patients even in the government sector, and also for now institutionalizing the post-COVID care sequelae and the research around that. I had come to Tamil Nadu specifically to oversee the arrangements being made for the impending vaccination against COVID that the health workers and the frontline workers shall be getting in the first phase. Today, as you know, this dry run has taken place in all parts of the country except 3 states where they had already done it, and since morning I had the privilege to visit 3 facilities specifically in the government sector and the private sector, and also the central stores where the vaccines are stored for distribution to most of the southern states, along with syringes and many other things. Also had the opportunity to visit one facility providing radiotherapy to poor patients of cancer through a government facility with the help of linear accelerators, etc. I can only say that I was very happy and satisfied, and whatever feedback I have taken, the detailed presentation that was made by the Health Secretary of Tamil Nadu at one of the super specialty hospitals, I think it was very thorough, very comprehensive. Tamil Nadu government and its health department deserves our highest appreciation for the good work that they have been doing and pursuing also. I have reminded the Chief Minister that in the early part of 2020 we had jointly laid the foundation stone of few medical colleges which have been given to Tamil Nadu because of the blessings of our Prime Minister. You know that in the second term of the Prime Minister in 2019, the cabinet had decided to have 75 more medical colleges converted from district hospitals in the country. All the 75 medical colleges have been decided, and fortunately for the people of Tamil Nadu, because of the blessings of our Prime Minister, who has a special attachment for the people here. 14 medical colleges were 11 medical colleges were given to Tamil Nadu, and we had laid the foundation stone of a couple of them in the beginning of 2020. I have requested the Chief Minister to keep his commitment to the health sector at the highest level. That's my own selfish interest, being a health professional myself and being associated with the field of health for over 4 decades now, and have also asked him specifically, apart from this vaccination campaign, which will, I think, I am sure, follow soon, and it will be done meticulously. We have asked him to focus a little more on TB elimination, because we want that some of the states which have the potential and the capability to eliminate tuberculosis by 2025, 5 years ahead of the international goals, as per the dreams of our Prime Minister. I have high hopes that Tamil Nadu could be one of those states where they can do it even before that, and examples like this could be showcased before the rest of the people, so that they can also emulate the example of Tamil Nadu. I have also requested the Chief Minister that the attention that our health and wellness centers, for which we have a very ambitious program of creating 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers, focusing on preventive, promotive and positive health in all parts of the country by the end of year 2022, when the Prime Minister wants to deliver a new India to all Indians. There also we want Tamil Nadu to excel, do things well in time, and see that all over Tamil Nadu, apart from what they are already doing through these health and wellness centers, a good quality movement around health issues, a social movement around these health issues is created. We had a good discussion, and Chief Minister has also conveyed his compliments to the Prime Minister. He has also conveyed his gratitude for all the support that the central government has given to the state of Tamil Nadu in the recent months, and I can promise on behalf of the central government, our Prime Minister, that we shall do our best to help the people of Tamil Nadu, not only in the health sector, but in every sector where they need and deserve support from the central government. Thank you.
So when will the first batch of vaccines will be rolled out? When the vaccines will be rolled out?
You will all get to know about it as soon as, after all these preparations that are happening, the trial runs that are happening in the country, they are only happening because the vaccine has to ultimately roll out one day. And as soon as the date for that is decided, you will be the first people to know about it.